Allah said, when the hypocrites come to you, to Prophet Muhammad, the munafiqun, they say, we testify that you are the Rasul of Allah, you are the messenger of Allah. We testify. Wallahu ya'lamu innaka la rasulu, and Allah know that you are the messenger of Allah. Wallahu yashhadu, and Allah testify, innal munafiqina lakadibun. Now that is a very, very good knowledge here. Allah said that the munafiqun, they come to you, the hypocrite come to you, and they say that surely you are the messenger of Allah. And Allah said, Allah know that you are the messenger of Allah, and Allah testify that the munafiqin are liar. Why Allah still call them liar? Even though they are telling true that you are the messenger of Allah, the Prophet is the messenger of Allah. Why Allah still call them liar? Because they are saying from the word and not from the heart. In the heart, they don't believe the Prophet Muhammad is a messenger. Just say with the word, you are the messenger of Allah. So Allah still call them liars. So when what you say with your word, it should be in your heart. If you say somebody a good word to a person, it should come from your heart, not just from your words. It is a lying also. If you say somebody, you are good looking, but in your heart you are laughing that he is very ugly looking. But in the word you are just making a lie, oh, you are very good looking. So Allah called you a liar. Allah is calling you a liar because you are saying from the word and not from the heart. So that is one thing. What is in your heart, it should be in your word. And what is in your word, it should be in your hand, in your actions. How is possible? What is the meaning of this? Allah said, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu lima taquluna ma la taf'alun kabura maqtan indallahi an taqulu ma la taf'alun. Oh, you believe, do not say what you are not doing. So now you say, people don't drink alcohol, but you alcohol drinker. You drink the alcohol. You say to the children, don't smoke, but you are smoking yourself. You say to people, don't lie, but you are lying. You say to the people, don't watch the pornography, but you are watching the pornographies. You are watching the X-rated. So now you are another kind of hypocrite. What is in your heart, if it's not in your words, it's a hypocrisy. And what you say to the people and you are not doing, it's another kind of hypocrisy. Because Allah said, Kabura maqtan indallahi an taqulu ma la taf'alun. The words of the creatures in the sight of Allah are those who say something, but they don't do this. So what you say, you must do it. Heart, words, and actions. What is in your heart? You say Allah, you believe, you said say with your words. And when you say Allah, you believe He is only God, then you should pray 5 times a day. Then you can complete your iman, that you really say there is no God worthy to be worshipped except Allah. You say that the only God worship to be worshipped, but you don't pray 5 times. So you are not making your word and your actions the same. So that is very important for us as a believer. Our belief, our heart, our words, and our action should be same. Should be confirming each other. What I believe in heart, it should be my words, and what I say with my words, it should be my action. So if I believe there is only one God to be worshipped, then I say that with the words, same. And what I say with my words, there is only one God to be worshipped, and I should worship that God, and I should obey His commandments. So then I can complete my iman. The iman can be shown with the 3 things. Iman bil qalb, wa tasdiqum bil lisan, wal amalu bil jawareh. Believe in your heart, testify with your words, and do it with your actions. So if you say you believe in Allah, then you should follow His command.